5 digital products that make passive income. I'm diving into the world of passive income and challenging myself to create 5 digital products that actually make money. Let's see if I can pull it off. Passive income is the holy grail for many of us. It's a way to earn money without actively trading time for it. And one of the best ways to achieve this is through digital products. With a digital product, you can create it once and sell it multiple times, earning passive income without having to put in a ton of effort. It's a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you 5 digital products that can help you get started on this path. Many of us struggle to generate consistent income. We might have a great month, but then things dry up, and we're left scrambling to make ends meet. It's a stressful and unpredictable way to live. But digital products can provide a solution. By creating a digital product, you can earn money while you sleep, travel, or focus on other important things in your life. It's a way to build a safety net and create a more stable financial future. The problem is, many of us don't know where to start. We might have an idea for a digital product, but we're not sure how to create it or market it. That's why I want to share with you 5 digital products that can generate passive income. These products are all proven winners, and they're accessible to anyone, regardless of their skill level or experience. Digital products are also incredibly scalable. Once you've created the product, you can sell it to hundreds or thousands of people without having to put in a lot of extra work. This means that your earning potential is virtually unlimited. You can earn as much or as little as you want, depending on how much effort you're willing to put in. Moving on, let's talk about the 5 digital products that can generate passive income. The first one is Hayzine Flipbooks. A flipbook is a digital book that readers can download and read on their devices. You can write a flipbook on any topic, from fiction to nonfiction, and sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. The benefit of a flipbook is that it's easy to create and distribute, and you can embed it with video and affiliate offers. The second digital product is an online course. An online course is a series of video lessons that teach students a new skill or concept. You can create an online course on anything from cooking to coding, and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. The benefit of an online course is that it's a high-ticket item, which means you can earn more money per sale. The third digital product is a software or plugin. A software or plugin is a digital tool that solves a problem or makes life easier for users. You can create a software or plugin and sell it on your website or through a platform like WordPress. The benefit of a software or plugin is that it's a recurring revenue stream, which means you can earn money every month without having to put in a lot of extra work. The fourth digital product is a membership site. A membership site is a website that offers exclusive content or services to members who pay a monthly fee. You can create a membership site on any topic, from fitness to finance, and sell it on your website or through a platform like Memberful. The benefit of a membership site is that it's a predictable revenue stream, which means you can earn money every month without having to worry about finding new customers. The fifth digital product is a stock photography bundle. A stock photography bundle is a collection of high-quality photos that customers can use for personal or commercial projects. You can create a stock photography bundle and sell it on platforms like Shutterstock or Etsy. The benefit of a stock photography bundle is that it's a low-maintenance product, which means you can earn money without having to put in a lot of extra work. One standout product that has shown exceptional results or growth in the passive income space is online courses. Online courses have been around for a while, but they've seen a surge in popularity in recent years. This is because they offer a high-ticket item that can earn you a lot of money per sale. Plus, they're easy to create and distribute, which makes them a great option for anyone looking to generate passive income. In summary, the 5 digital products that can generate passive income are flipbooks, online courses, software or plugins, membership sites, and stock photography bundles. These products are all proven winners, and they're accessible to anyone, regardless of their skill level or experience. There are free tools that can help you reach your goals in the description below. Don't forget to check out my other video on 5 passive income ideas that actually work.